Welcome you all in this tutorial, and today we are going to complete understand what is exactly simulation and how we can perform it in SolidWorks. So dear friends, if you are new at this my YouTube channel, so kindly support me by subscribing the channel. Okay, so let's start it. We will start it from the designing. We'll take some small examples. So suppose I am taking this front plane here. Okay, design one line here. I'm taking this one this way. Select and right click, and again just take one line from here. Design like this. Now just I am pressing Control and giving the relation equal. Fine. Okay. Just give the dimension to this. I am taking suppose 600 mm, and this one will be I am taking the 400 mm. Sorry, 350 or 300. 350 is okay for now. 350 mm. Okay. So I have taken this one. So just to understand what is exactly the simulation, just exit from here. I will take you inside the insert weldments first. We'll go again insert weldments. We'll take a structural member. And here, suppose the first testing is India standard, and this is a pipe. We can take a any one from here, and size is given, or you can change here as per the standard, and just give the grouping. So we will perform here the one group only. Here, just say OK. And now you can see we have prepared this here, the combination of beam and column. This is the what? Combination of beam and column. Now, what I will do, and this is what? Complete structure. Structure is ready. Now we will move into the simulation. So let's click here. In new study, just now understand the steps. We will click on the new study. Study advisor. We will select here new study. In new study, suppose we are going for the static force analysis. We will select this. We will say OK for now. Here. Now after this, first we will apply the material. Suppose we have taken 4130. Apply and close. We have applied the material here. After the apply, in simulation, we need to understand. Suppose we are going to apply the force on any object. Suppose one cup is putting on the table, and if we are going to apply the any horizontal force, so what will happen when we will apply the force? Cup will displace from one place to another place. So we will not able to understand what is will the effect of force on particular body. So what we will do? We will fix in opposite direction. Suppose if we are applying the force on the front, so on back side we will fix it. And if we are going to apply the force on top, so bottom one we will fix. So first what we will do? We are going to fix this geometry. So here we will fix here and here. Okay. So we have fixed this on two particular place. We have fixed just okay. After fixing, we will apply the load. We will apply the force here. And suppose we are applying this force on joints, on face here. There is an option, but points and here beam. So I am applying this force here, and the plane in y direction. I am taking the force along y direction. So here on this direction L2, and I am giving the value is 300 Newton. Suppose 300 Newton I have applied here, and let's select the plane. We'll change the direction here, this side to this side, top plane, here right plane. So you can see you can apply the forces here and right plane up front. Okay. So suppose we have applied the here and we will say okay. We have applied the force now, and the next one what we will do, will create the meshing. Meshing is for purpose of finite element analysis. So we will right click and will create mesh. So here you can see meshing is completed. So after meshing what we will do, it's a very simple. After the meshing we will simply, if you are creating the report, so first you will include here the image, you can see. Okay, so this image will take, and when we will click on this, so you can generate the report, but before the report you will run this study, and when you will run this study you will see here, when we have applied the 300 Newton force here, what is going on, the this one is complete, what, bended here. This is like U shape has created, and the red portion area is showing that the stresses are very high, and also displacement is also very high at this particular point. Stresses are very high. Here you can see this one is the straight line and here the bending, and this is also there is a small amount of buckling is here because of very high amount of load. So friends, I hope you have understand the process of SolidWorks simulation. Similarly, in simulation we can go for other type of simulation like frequency type, thermal type, flow simulation. There are a lot of different kind of simulation is here what we can learn. So friends, now let's take another example. Just go into the file, new file, just take a new file from here and take another example so that you can revise it. So let's take, I'm taking one rectangle here. Just make it suppose I have designed one rectangle like this, something like this I have designed here. Okay, and just say give the dimension here. This one is, suppose we have given 500 mm, and this one is what, give the 100 mm. Not a problem at all, just say okay. And now we will make it some 3D model, extrude this one. We have extruded by 100 mm, no problem. Here you can give the 100 mm, give the 100 mm. We can give the 100 mm here, just say okay. So here you can see we have, now we will select this plane for sketching also. Now just take another rectangle at this center point here, this point to this point, we will select okay. Now what we will do, just go into the feature again, extrude this one. Suppose we have extruded it up to here. Okay, fine, we have extruded. Now we'll say okay. And now this extrude to we can edit this, extrude to second one. Okay, fine. So we have created this one. This model we have created here, you can see. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create another simulation here. So just click on simulation. I hope you remember the new study. Then again for static, just you will click OK for now. And in your next step, friends, I know that you remember the process. It is hanging, just wait for a minute. Okay, so the next step what I know, you will apply the material first. Suppose I have taken this one, apply and close here, and after the material you will go into the fixtures. That means where you need to fix it, fix the geometry, right click and fix. So we will fix it, we will fix this one, just rotate it. We will fix this one and this one too. So here we have fixed it. After fixing, just like say okay. So we have fixed it here. After that, what we need to do after fixing the geometry, I know you remember this, and you will go into the external loads. Very right. You have click on the forces, and where you need to apply it, you will select this particular plane, and you can give the it's a 500 Newton. I have increased the force in this example. You have applied this, not in the direction is okay, we'll say okay, click ok. So we have applied the force here. Now we will create a mesh. So we will create the mesh. I know you remember the steps, just say okay whatever types it is. So here you can see the meshing is created and you have applied the forces. Fixing is also done. Now friends, I know you remember the next step. For your report you can save this image. When you will click here, report will generate. Run this study. So it's under process. Here you can see you have completed this particular thing. Now you can see because object is fixed here, and this is enough strong. So what will happen when you will apply the force, this will try to break from here. So maximum deformation that will take place at the fixing point, in particular this example. So you need to understand here the displacements. You can see displacement is maximum here, and strain, the maximum strain is here, because this is what opposing the stresses basically, right? And here you can see the stresses are also here. So stresses is directly proportional to strains, and here the displacements are here at this particular point, because this is the kind of cantilever beam. When you have applied the force, this one is bended from its axis. You can see that initially it was here, and when you have applied the forces, it comes to this particular point. So friends, I hope you have understand this complete study, this complete simulation. In our next example, I will come with some great idea of simulation, some more examples. So friends, be happy, and please subscribe, like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you really enjoy this, kindly share it with your friends also. Thank you so much.